Peace Divines, welcome to my Talk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. If you're enjoying the content at my Talk Avenue as well, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so you can stay up to date on our latest content. Today I am making a juice, as you can see in the title, and this juice is energizing, it's detoxifying, it's immune boosting, it's anti-inflammatory, it's hydrating, it's overall richly nutritious and good for you. And ingredients that I am going to use today for this particular juice, I'm going to use some lime, and I'm actually going to use some microgreens, but this is optional. You can simply just use celery, and I'm going to use some pear, and I'm going to use a piece of ginger, and I'm going to use some celery. Okay, and be sure to follow your manufacturer's instructions for your particular juicer. And as always, I will put the tips and the recipe and the description and the servings in the description. And so I'm going to take some of the pear. I'm going to go ahead and put my ginger in, since I'm using a nice lovely little piece of ginger. I'm going to go ahead and take my microgreens, and I'm going to take a piece of lime, some more pear, and I'm going to go ahead and put my celery in. And so now we're going to go ahead and juice this up. Okay, so I went ahead and added the second batch of ingredients, and it looks like we'll probably have about a good maybe 16 ounces. Okay, so it definitely looks like we have about 16 to 20 ounces of juice. Use a good amount of celery this time. Okay, so it looks like we have about a good 18 ounces of juice. And so I'm going to go ahead and strain this, and then we're going to try it. Okay, so we have our lovely lime green juice. And that's definitely one of the ingredients. So we go over the ingredients here on Montauk Avenue. And so what do we use today? We use ginger, we use some microgreens, we use celery, we used a pear as well, right? And again, we had some limes as well. We are going to go ahead and try this lovely, amazing lime green juice. I definitely taste the lime and the ginger, and I definitely use a lot of celery, and I would definitely recommend that you choose how much celery you want to use. And yes, I think that it is definitely a very good juice for a green juice. And again, you can always play, I will leave tips, you can always play with your ingredients. If you want to use, you can choose different type of pears that you want to use, or if you maybe just want to use some apples, it's up to you. As always, I want you to continue to be well, be true to yourself, be abundantly blessed, okay? And as always, I love my divines. Peace, divines. And be sure to check out my other juicing videos.